really is. Like, this is what's going on. I mean, like, here's the lockers, here's the concierge stand. This is what Fyre Festival is. The tweets just started going viral. It was just kind of the perfect thing to consume in real time. Then I saw the Twitter post, the cheese sandwich. That was when I knew this was done.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and make this Fyre Festival cheese sandwich. First, get yourself 2 slices of bread or a top and bottom bun. Next, you're going to want 1 to 2 slices of cheese, some hearty lettuce leaves that the caterpillars have only chewed a little bit, and some sliced tomatoes, but since I don't have any, I'm going to be using diced canned tomatoes. Next up, get yourself a high quality paper plate and throw those buns down. Next, we're going to carefully place our cheese, followed by our high quality lettuce. Next, lay down your tomato slices, or if you're using canned tomatoes, just plop those down. There you go, the super easy and incredibly famous Fyre Festival cheese sandwich, recipe courtesy of Billy McFarland. As always, we're going to get the opinion of our sous chef. She's giving it a look. Let's see what she thinks. Well, clearly it's not dog food.